All right, so when you first turn on the drone, you gotta wait until you get signal, GPS signal. So you see you've got 14 satellites and that 0.8 is your H-stop. So you have to wait until you have enough satellites to have an H-stop below 1. Once that happens, then you're gonna get this pre-arm error, need position estimate. So you have two options. One, go ahead and come with me. You gotta pick up the drone. By the way, put the battery in the back, it offsets the gimbal. That way it's more balanced. Okay, so fixing this pre-arm need position estimate, we're gonna have to take this and walk in a big figure 8 for a little while until that error goes away. All right, so that error did go ahead and disappear. So now I can go ahead and set it down, arm, and take off in loiter mode, which is your GPS controlled mode. Now, if you didn't have space to walk around in a big figure 8 like that, you could take off in stabilized mode. So I'll show that to you. Because the gimbal is so heavy, it tends to tip forward. So you want to take off pretty aggressively so you don't catch on those front legs. And then once you're off, then you can kind of settle down, chill out, fly around a little bit, and it'll get its position estimate. You can change into loiter. So doing the circle that I did got rid of that error, but we're going to pretend that I hadn't done that. Take off and stabilize, and I'll show you what that looks like. All right, so we're in stabilized flight mode, and we're going to pretend that we still need that position estimate. So we're going to take off in stabilized. We'll take off aggressively, and then we'll fly around a little bit before changing to loiter. So we can arm, bring those motors up a bit, and then jump. See how it tipped forward? So we needed to get off the ground so it wouldn't catch and flip over. So now we'll just fly around a little bit until we get that position estimate. And you don't really know when, so I would just kind of fly it in a big circle like this. Come back over here, and then we'll see if it'll go into GPS mode. Loiter flight mode. And so now we can fly in that GPS controlled flight mode. All right, here we go.